Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Zero Ultra, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and enter languages. And as you can see, and this is the list of all previously added languages, we've got only English. So let's tap on other languages, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick this one, for example. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it. So let's tap on apply language, and as you can see, newly added language will immediately appear at the very top of the list, and that's why it is also immediately set, because the hello, what's going on? All right, because when the language is on the very first position, then it means that it is a main language. It is set as a default one. So let me change it also. Let me change it to English, and as you can see, after setting the English, this language has been immediately applied. If you want to, you can remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon, tap on remove, mark the language you'd like to delete, and tap on remove. Now let's confirm it, and as you can see, we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change the system language in your Infinix Zero Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.